Right, so ready to rock. Got to have a little cold start. My neighbours hate me. Filling her up with some V-Power. Not advertising Shell at all, but it's the only good stuff we've got in England. Quick pit stop on the way. Jakey boy in the M4. My M4. We got Jay. There's Rob, the cameraman. We got Jay in his Skyline. Hey? Hi. He's done half a tank already. Oh, it's empty. And George in his S3. We're getting there. About an hour and 20 minutes away from Dover now. Dartford Bridge. Jake in his M4. Look at the weather. Perfect. Here we are. Coming down into Dover. It's P&O Cruise there. Nice chill drive that actually. Nice and easy. There's the bay. So let's get to the hotel, get a shower, see what cars are in the car park, meet everyone, go for a scran, see what the crack is. Right, well, we've made it to Dover. There's the hotel, there's the sea. Good drive down. No one's here yet. Wait for everyone to turn up. Always got to do a room check. So first night at Dover, standard Premier Inn, and there's the lady and the Skyline down there. Probably go for something to eat at Nando's, see what everyone else is doing, meet everyone because there's a lot of new people on the rally. Just got up now, 4:45. Get the bags packed, stuff together, go and get on the ferry. It's still pitch black. Still sunlight. We're going to wake some people up this morning on a serious. Get in this car with the heated seats. Where's ours, Jake? Oh, it's over here, isn't it? Yeah, over there. Over there somewhere. Woo, it's freezing. 5:05. We're at the ferry. Dover now. Waiting for the ferry. Everyone's queuing up. Need to go and get a brew though, it's that early. M4. Z. Got Callum in his Porsche. George in his S3. C63. Oh, we've got another M4 here. Volvo. Just waiting for a few more to come. White Cliffs of Dover. I'm going to set sail in a minute. Oh, she's a bit choppy today. Woo-hoo-hoo. Fellow cameraman, hey?
That's full of cars, that, you know.
Is it?
Yeah, because it's how tall it is. It's a massive car park. It is bad, this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mate, just look at that over there. It looks like it should be in the water.
Volvo got the Porsche. Ooh. She's nice. There he is, Ben the lad. A bit of rural Germany. Bloody nice. But the roads are just like England though. Bloody hell. Bumpy as hell. Another waypoint in the middle of a forest in Germany. It is freezing. It is freezing, isn't it? Woo! Brass. Georgie. Hey up. There's the famous bridge. We gotta give it one. That's it. The famous roundabout, the Nürburgring. Yo, it's mad seeing it and then seeing it for real life. Crazy. Yeah, sick. Sharing with Georgie. Trackside. You're lying. Absolutely lying. There she is. Fingers crossed it's not raining tomorrow. Morning all. Day 2. Just woke up, had some breakfast, got ready. But you're gonna be shocked because you can't make it up. It is fog and snow. Like, it is snowing. So fingers crossed this afternoon it stops and we get to go out and do some laps because you can't see nothing. One of the lads on the rally needs 2 new rear tyres, so we've just come to Crown Motorsport and they've got some absolute sick whips. Lotus. Jake's having a bit of a nightmare with his rear wheels.
Nothing new, is it?
Nothing new. And they've got some absolute sick whips. M3. Jake's M4 having a nightmare. Got some cars. Rob getting me and I'll get you. Cheers, mate. Got everything. All the cars. Just in a petrol station next to the Nürburgring. Bit of memorabilia.
I thought M6.
Yeah.
It's not far, it's an M6. But
I found an M4 GT.
it's an M6. But
What have you found, George? An S3?
it's a newer one, but it's.
Oh, it's new. That'll do.
I love the fact they've got you that.
Bit of me, that.
They've got an M2 CS here.
Can get that on my shelf. Mate, they've got there's thousands here, isn't there? Thousands of cars. A 2 GT. And them. Sick.
Williams!
Slipping.